Reserves accounts are very important because whenever there is a maintenance issue or a capital expenditure coming up, you need to make sure you have the money to pay for that. Otherwise, there will be a special assessment. So on top of your regular monthly HOA fee, you will have to pay the special assessment out. The more money the building has, of course, the better. However, it doesn't mean that they're going to spend all their reserves to fund this project. Reserves are tricky. When asking for the total amount, how much the building has in reserves, you need to also ask how have they been spent historically? Does the building has a history of special assessments? And if so, when was the latest? You need to understand that special assessments are allocated based on the percentage of ownership, not just the number of units, which is important to understand because if there is a 3-bedroom condo in a high-rise building versus a 1-bedroom condo, 1 bedroom will pay significantly less than a 3-bedroom condo. What is a good amount to have in reserves for a high-rise building? It's hard to say. Based on my experience, the more the better. And the majority of high-rise buildings in Chicago that I have been to, they do have somewhere around $1 million in reserves, maybe $2 million. Some have even more than that. But again, it doesn't mean that if they have a couple $1 million in reserves that there will not be a special assessment. However, the chances of them not having to impose a special assessment do get higher.